We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, when we discussing my last analysis, based on daily, we mentioned we have been looking for 41, and we mentioned after the breakout of 41, we have been looking for 52. Anyway, as we can see based on daily, we get the breakout of 41, but the price couldn't break this zone, and we see the prices start to consolidate. But if we refer to my last analysis again based on forward chart, we discussed that because these two levels, this is what we discussed based on daily. And I mentioned if the based on forward chart, I mentioned if the price break 41, the next level based on forward and 1 hour chart I'm looking for is 44. As you can see, the first time the price tag 44, it start to drop, is reject, and even for the second times we didn't see the breakout and we see the prices start to drop. Now we want to see what's the next. Okay, anyway, this is what we have been looking for if we refer to my last analysis. And right now we move to daily chart. All right, it's still based on daily chart. I just changed this one to be only for daily. It's still for daily chart. We need to see the confirmation for the if if the price, we want to see whether the price can break this or not. Okay, that's mean if there is a continuation after the breakout of 41, I'm looking expecting the price tag to 52. All right, anyway, now the only question is, since we get this sharp move, whether this one can turn to more complex correction before we see the continuation, or this is the only correction. Okay, because if we move to weekly chart, almost the price is at the highest price we get. All right, now whether the question is whether we can expect to get the correction here for continuation similar to what we get here or not, and how deep it can be. Anyway, based on daily chart, we don't see any information. If you wants to trade, and the best things is if we move to forward chart. No, the question is whether we can consider this one as a correction relative to this, and we can expect to get continuation from here, or we can expect to get one more drop and this one turn to a flat. For sure, if we get one more drop and this one turn to a bigger correction, a flat, it can give us first better confirmation for continuation for the long term and a better trade setup rather than buying within this correction. Anyway, we don't want to see how we can look for trade, because the only way is right now to look for the sharp move flag. And if I move to 1 hour chart, okay, based on 1 hour chart, first things we need to know, we need to see the breakout of 44, because two times the price tag, but there was no breakout. And based on 1 hour chart right now, we can look at this one as a flat relative to this. And right now there is a running flat, but if the prices start to drop with the breakout of the previous low, we can look for the expanding flat. What type of the flat, we don't need to really care at this time. The only thing is right now I'm looking at this as a flat in relative to this. Just mean if we get any opportunity to look for buy as a sharp move flag, we will take it, but we need to see the breakout of 44. But if the price couldn't break the 44, if like we see the price is rejecting, we are not going to keep the trade. At least if we want us to keep the trade, move our stop loss to break even. All right, that's mean the only way is right now we can look at this, and if you get any opportunity to look for buy, we will take it within this, is within this range. And we want to see whether the price can break 44 or not, similar to what we get here, either based on 1 hour or 15 minute. But first things right now we're looking for breakout of 44. If we get any trade for buy, because this is what we're looking for, and if the price could break the 44, the next level I'm looking for is 52. This is the only things we can discuss right now, but we need to be quite careful, because if we get one move up, if the price couldn't break the 44, mostly the next drop can be similar to what we have here, and this is what we get, including the first correction, third, and this correction also internally we get flat as a 1, 2, 3, because even we can expect the price break but reverse. All right, we need to see the breakout as a with a sharp move as a confirmation. All right, not just the price break suddenly. If we see something similar to what we get here, breakout with the one candle, it doesn't give us a confirmation. All right, either we get one move up, the next one give us a bigger flat if the price couldn't break 44, or may this one turn to a more complex correction before we get the next move? Which one we cannot confirm. The only thing is we need to see the confirm. If we want to look for buy, we need to see the confirmation of 44. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.